guys, it's Julia here, and as you guys can see, I made a trip to the Apple store today because I got something very special that I've been wanting for quite a long time. So without further ado, let's unbox this. You guys will see I got a MacBook Pro. Now why? Let's just say I wanted a much better laptop and I just want to be able to experience macOS portably because as you guys may or may not know, I had a Mac Mini and I still have it, but I actually plan on selling it because I just don't, use it often. Like I have a desktop and generally I just use my desktop. I don't need like another desktop. So I think a laptop would be much better. And back at the time I got it, I did have like 2 separate rooms I would go to, so it made sense. But nowadays that just doesn't make sense anymore. So I got the MacBook Pro and I'm honestly really excited to open this because I've never owned a MacBook Pro before, or at least one of the newer ones. So let's just peel the thing off so I can open it. Okay, so let's open this and see what we got here. Ooh, that's pretty. So I got the silver one because I think the silver one is the good one. It's kind of heavy, but we got that. What else do we got? A cable. So I'm guessing this is for charging. Oh no, it's a MagSafe cable, as you guys can see. And then I opened this and it's got the design by Apple in California. And it's got like our stuff to know about it. And more information. Is that it? That might actually be it. No, there's something else in here, I think. There might be. I'm not sure. I don't see anything else in here. I think that's it. So let's just put this stuff back. And I'll be able to make a video reviewing macOS and tell you guys what I personally think of macOS. Here's our brick. USB-C there, and we have our MagSafe. I do have USB-C chargers, which will work with this too. But I do have these. This is probably better for portability. So now I know that this is sticking to it. I gotta peel that off. Let's put this back for now. Because I'm gonna end up peeling the stuff off. Actually, we forgot to put this back, but okay. So what do I have now to deal with? The Mac. So this is the base model. It has 16 gigs of RAM, 512 gigs of storage. I think that was perfectly fine for a laptop. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got MacBook Pro written on the bottom. And this is the laptop. Let's just move this stuff out of the way. So this is our laptop right here. Let's just do a little bit of cleanup so I can... All right. Now we have just the Mac here. Now, I've never seen really what these look like in person, so let's open this thing up. And you guys can see we got it turned on. That's nice. Got the peeling the plastic. It's starting up. It just started up like the second I opened it. Oh, that was really fast. That started up really fast. And we got our hello, as you guys will see here. I'd say this is very nice. This is a very nice setup. So what do I need to do now? Just click on it. All right, so now we're at the setup. I see that has the notch as well.
English is the main language.
Yes, I know. I wish I could make this a little bit brighter because it's kind of dim right now, but it's okay. All right, so accessibility stuff. Okay. So I gotta select the Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna have to pause the video so I can connect this. All right, so we are now at the data and privacy screen, so it's mentioning that stuff now. I had to get the camera adjusted. And this says you wanna migrate, but I honestly don't wanna migrate any data. I wanna just set this up as new. And now I have to go sign into my account. Now we're at the step of creating an account, which I'm just going to name my user my first name, and that's it. I'm gonna actually can I do capital J? yeah. And lowercase is it? I guess that's just how Mac OS is. So now I gotta set a password. Let's make the password hint no, because I don't really need to put a hint on it, to be honest. I wonder what Mac OS this actually shipped with. I'm not entirely sure. I'm gonna have to check what it's running. I'm not like as good when it comes to Mac OS versions. Like I can't just tell based off the setup what this is at all. Cause I don't know. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know. You guys probably know if you own one or know more information, I don't know. But this is the first time I've had a MacBook, and the Mac Mini I had, I didn't really use that often. iCloud keychain, sure, I don't care, you can use it. Just going through, you know, the basic setup here. So it tells us all the stuff here. So let's just leave everything default here. Apple Intelligence, sure. Continue. I am going to do File Vault because I think that's probably a good thing. And yeah, allow my Apple account to unlock. Yeah, that's fine. Continue. Oh, Touch ID. I forgot. This has Touch ID on the thing right there. Okay. There we go. Okay. Continue. I did accidentally press it. Now I don't want to show my my card info, so get out. All right, welcome to Mac. That's beautiful. Honestly, I think this is the latest version of Mac OS. Continue, and there we have it, guys. That is our Mac. Oh yeah, duh, because that's Apple Intelligence, so of course it is. So first things first, let's actually go to the specs just to confirm them. All right, so we do have the M4 with 16 gigs of RAM, and we're running macOS Sequoia 15.3.1. I'm not sure if that's the latest or not, but it is Sequoia, so as you guys will see, we do have Apple Care as well for 3 years, because I added Apple Care. We got the M4 with 16 gigs of RAM, and yes, we do have the 500 gig SSD or 512 or whatever, but it reports as 494. That's normal. And we got a really nice screen, and we also have, yeah, that, I guess. So honestly, this is the first time I've owned a MacBook, so this is going to be like quite the experience, but I'll have to say that so far I think that this is a nice device. It gave us this background, and I'll just have to be, you know, going ahead and configuring it and all that stuff. I just wanted to set it up, go through setup, and show it. This is a bit of a shorter video because honestly, I just wanted to mainly show an unboxing and setup. And I might make a follow-up video about macOS. I'm actually going to be using this computer for most of July because I won't be able to have access to my desktop. So that's one of the reasons I actually got this now, because I want to have a computer I can use that's decent. I want to try video editing on it. I might even try Final Cut Pro because I know they have a trial. I might actually give that a shot too. But I also can use DaVinci Resolve, which is my main video editor. Now, I was going to get the MacBook Air, but I didn't because I wanted a slightly bigger display. I also wanted to have those fans in there because it might come useful for video editing and stuff, and because I plan to keep this long term. So honestly, I want to be able to have this computer be my main laptop and use it long term, because honestly, I've had a lot of Windows laptops over the years, and let's just say not all of them have been the best. Like, they're not horrible laptops by any means, but I've gotten like all of them used. The last time I actually got a brand new Windows laptop was all the way back when I got that Toshiba in 2013. After that, every laptop was either given to me or bought used. So honestly, I wanted a new laptop that would last me a while, and I don't know if the recording caught this because my phone ran out of storage, but I was trying to say that I'm not going to actually have access to my desktop for at least maybe a month potentially, meaning that I need a decent machine that I can actually use, video edit on, maybe play a couple games on, and do all my productivity work. So I wanted to actually get this. So yeah, this will be replacing my Mac Mini, which I will be selling, and I'm also gonna try and get rid of a lot of my other computers I don't need anymore. I am gonna still keep my last main Windows laptop. I'm not gonna sell it because I still wanna have it around, but I'm going to be getting rid of the ones I really feel like I don't need. So yeah, just to free up some room, and also because I wanna be able to get more computers to make videos on for you guys, which I have another unboxing I'm gonna be doing for you guys because I bought some computers. So you guys will be seeing those soon, but I'm not sure what video you'll see first, probably this video before you guys see that video. But yeah, like I said, I might make a review on this after using it for a while, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Alright guys, so I'm recording this video from the MacBook Pro. Now, this video is recorded almost a month after that video was recorded, and I've been maining this Mac for basically the past 2 weeks now, and I'm gonna have to say that so far it's performed very well. Any task I've thrown at it, it's just ran with flying colors. I'm able to video edit very smoothly without any problems. Even play some games on here. I mean, I don't play a lot, but like the basic games like Minecraft, Roblox, etc. Everything seems to run well on it, and I'm honestly really happy with the performance. I even made a few Windows VMs on here, and they run flawlessly as well, which is perfect because I'm able to do my script testing and all that stuff. So I'd have to say that so far I've been very happy with it, and I'm very glad to be using it. In fact, the Q&A video I did for channel members, I actually completely edited and uploaded from this Mac, and it went very well. So honestly, very happy with this computer, and I'm still using it to this day. So I'd have to say, if you guys need a really good laptop, I honestly would highly recommend a MacBook because they are definitely worth your money. Yeah, they're pricey, but they're really good for what they are. So honestly, I think that will do it for this video. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching these videos, and I'm glad that I got something new and something that I feel like I'll be happy with, and I think it'll just be an overall great device. Once I actually am using it more, I'll be able to give, more of an opinion on it, and I probably might be recording videos on it too, potentially. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing yet, but you guys might see some videos on it. So yeah. Anyways, the next couple videos you see uploaded, potentially this one, will probably be recorded on this computer. In fact, I might even be using the microphone on it for like voiceovers and stuff. So we'll have to see where that goes. And you guys can let me know how it differs from the mic I've been using. Okay, well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a good one. And also, thanks to my channel members, which are Samira Yoshizawa, The Full Moon, Christian1739, Overgreen, Strawtech8, Vlogs, DJ1I28, Dencorn, Cyclone, Bob, Star, Aqua, Ritu, Mike Rea, Chris Garrett, Zach's Tech Place, Caden, along with everyone else here on this list. I really appreciate your guys' support for being a channel member. Once again, thank you so much. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and hopefully I enjoyed this Mac. And anyways, bye-bye for now.